His grace is sufficient for me. 1 Corinthians chapter 2. In your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. This is wheat flour. And the color is brown. So wheat flour and salt here. This is my cream cheese. This is cream. Added 2 eggs. This is my vinegar. So now we are coming to mix it. I'm adding my butter. So now I'm coming to mix. To the wheat flour. Wheat flour, cream cheese, cream, cardamom. This recipe is so simple. The ingredients are wheat flour, my egg, my cardamom powder, my butter, my cream cheese, my cream, my salt, a pinch of salt. Then I added my lukewarm water. Then I mixed them. Then I begin to wait for it to prove. After the proving, then I begin to roll and fry it. It's very simple and it doesn't take a lot of time. Koto janyi na bekutu o nyamia tachamanyi na bepemaka uya himuhi uya ramora Much love to everyone who watches my videos. Anyone who likes and who always supports me. Child, I love you and kiss. Thank you.